Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, a simple and small project a design here, and how to this body is easily designed here, and this body is looking perfect, and this is a very useful and helpful. Okay guys, let's start here design this project, and this is a multi-section view and this is isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this project is very looking so nice, and this project is also very useful and helpful any work. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay guys, let's start here design this project. Okay, at first drawing a okay okay at first drawing a mechanical design and part design. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is perfect, and this is a okay. At first select this plane and position a sketch is a select here. Okay, this is a perfect, and select this plane absolute YZ plane is select here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, reference is absolute axis system, and YZ plane is select here and click OK. This is a perfect, and any geometry is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Draw any at first draw any geometry, and geometry is a this is a okay. This select a profile and draw a this okay, and sketch a any geometry is designed here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select this and this correct. Okay, this line is already is fully defined, and mention dimension is constant, and at first click this axis is a this. Okay, click here. Okay, mention any dimension. This line is a perfect, and this is a 150 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this is a okay. This is a 135 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this line distance between this is a 410 is correct, and okay, this is a perfect, and select okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is also better. Okay, this is also 120 150, some distance is more. Okay, 165 is better, and okay, 130 is correct. Okay, and again select a okay, this is a perfect, and again dimension is a this okay, this dimension is a correct, this is a and select this, and again select this dimension is this. Perfect. This, okay, this is a, okay, okay, this is a perfect, and use a 250 is correct, and 250 is correct, okay, this is a 200 is better, okay, 210 is also perfect, and select this is a 652 is perfect, and again select this line and this line, this distance is 6, okay, this is a, this line and this distance is a 62 is correct, okay, all is perfect here, and this is a 110 is better, okay, all is perfect, and this is a some change here, 110, and this is a 135 is correct, 140 is better, okay, this is a looking perfect, and again select 150 is better, okay, this is a perfect, okay, all is perfect looking here, and so nice, and all is correct, okay, all is, this dimension is fully defined and this dimension is absolute, this is a perfect, and click exit, and click a shaft command is used here, and this body is design and preview is showing here, this is a perfect, okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a looking so nice here, this is a correct, okay, and some use a fillet command is used here, and fillet command is use a this curve filter, and use a this, and this is a 15 millimeter is correct, preview is showing here, this is a perfect, and again select a some mirror use a, and select a this, okay, this is a correct, okay, okay, at first drawing a this hole command is used here, and use a hole, and select this, and use a 18 millimeter, and sketch, okay, sketch is drawing here, and some use a this point use, and this is a, this line is a, this is a coincident, okay, and use this, okay, this point and distance, this is a distance is total is 410 divide by 2, okay, this is a correct, all is perfect, and exit, okay, this is a looking perfect, okay, this is a correct, and positional sketch again select here, and this is a, okay, 185 is, okay, this is a correct, 230 is better, okay, because okay, this is a perfect. Again select a 225. okay, this is a perfect, and preview is showing here. This is a okay, and up to last is a correct, because okay, this is a perfect, okay, up to last. Okay, and again select a circular command is use here, and this is a this hole, and plane is select here. This is a this plane is a okay, select this plane, use this, and use a complete crown, and this is a 4. Review is showing here. This is a correct, and then use a mirror command is use, and use this plane is select here and click okay. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and then apply this material is use this, and material is metal and steel, apply here, and okay, this is a correct. Property select here, and reflectivity is very high, and click this post dimer is material is select, apply here, and this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, looking better, and okay, this is a zoom, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is isometric view, and multi-section view is also drawing this. Okay, this is a perfect body is looking here, and isometric view is drawing this. Okay, 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 this is a correct. Okay guys, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and next project is a beautiful project is coming, beautiful project lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.